Finally released OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite in India. It's launched on June 2024. The dimensions of OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite India: height 6.4 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8.1 mm, and the weight is 191 gram. And the build: front glass, plastic base and plastic frame. The display of OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite India: it comes with AMOLED display with 16mm color, and the screen size is 6.67 inch with 87.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 395 ppi density, and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 2100 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time. Let's talk about the platform. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 695 5G 6nm, and the CPU is octa-core Cardio 660 Gold, and the GPU is Adreno 619. The memory of Nord CE4 Lite India: it comes with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB and 250 GB, 6 GB of ROM, and it supports micro SD card too. The camera setup of OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite India: it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 MP wide and 2 MP depth sensor, and it records 1080p 30fps video. The front camera is 16 MP with 1080p 30fps video record too. The battery backup is 5500 mAh battery and 80 watt fast wired charging. No wireless charging in this mobile, and 5 watt reverse wired charging too. The common and the feature: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint in the display, NFC, UFS 2.2 and IP54 dust and water resistant. The price of OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite India has $300.